All right, welcome back to the Marriage Minute. Today we're answering questions to help you have your best Valentine's Day ever. We've got David on the line. What's going on, David?
Well, every year I give my wife flowers for Valentine's Day.
Flowers are good.
But I thought this year I'd spice it up a bit.
I love that. What are you thinking?
Well, I was thinking and but I don't want it to be too...
Whoa, no, you can't say any of that on here.
Oh, I can't? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you get the idea.
Yeah, I'd say so. Listen, David, I'm going to help you out. I'm definitely going to help her out and tell you don't do any of that.
Really? I thought for sure that if I...
Stop talking, please. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Garcia Co Jewelers in Farmington. You're going to buy her beautiful jewelry. She'll love it. And you're going to give it to her, and you're going to say, I love you, like a normal person.
Yeah, okay.
We are out of time, thank goodness. This has been the Marriage Minute, brought to you by Garcia Co Jewelers in Farmington. Jewelry can't fix everything, but it can get close. Garcia Co Jewelers in Farmington, the Four Corners' favorite Valentine's Day jeweler.